Hello, you are welcome. Believe me, majority of students fail this particular question. So now let me teach you how to solve it. It's very simple. Now we are given 17 to the power of ln of x equals solution 34 minus x ln of 17. Okay, so what we need to do here, let y to be ln of x from here. So if y is ln of x, we want to introduce, any variable. It can be y, it can be anything. So we have y to be this. Now, if y is this, if I introduce or if I exponent the both sides, that is e to the power of y equals e to the power of ln of x. So we know that this, we cancel this one. Are you getting it? Then we're going to have x, this x will be equals to e to the power of y. Understood? So keep this one here. Now, another thing we're going to do is that we are going to replace anywhere we see ln of x, we replace it with y. And anywhere you see x, you replace it with e to the power of y. So now, from what? From the question above, or from the equation above, so we have 17 ln of x is now y equals, we have 34 here minus, what is x? X is this. We have e to the power of y, then ln of what? Ln of 17. Okay, so now what's the next thing we're going to do from here? We're going to have 17 to the power of y, then equals 34, then minus e. Now this y here, according to the law of logarithm, okay, when you have log, let's say you have a log b, we can rewrite it as log b to the power of a. Understood? And that is what you want to do here. So this is now going to be ln of 17, all right, to the power of what? To the power of y. Are you getting it? So from there, we have 17 to the power of y equals 34. Then take away e ln, we cancelled. Then we are going to have 17 to the power of y. Are you following? So now from there, 17 to the power of y, this, transpose this to this side, we have 17 to the power of y, then equals what? Equals 34. Are you following? So now from there, this plus this now, okay, this plus this, they are the same. So we're going to have 2 multiplying 17 to the power of y, then equals what? Equals 34. Okay, so we divide through by 2. If we divide through by 2, we have 17 to the power of y equals 34, or divide by 2. Are you following? So we have 17 to the power of y will now be equals 34 divided by 2. That will be what? 17. So now 17 is same thing as 17 to the power of 1. So here, since we have the same basis, okay, when you have a to the power of b equals a to the power of c, so this implies that b equals c. Understood? So here now, so y must be equals to 1. But don't forget that according to the equation, so the variable we have originally is what? Is x. So which means we are going to what? We are going to recall. We go back to this place here. So we say recall that y equals what? Equals to ln of x. And which is same thing as what? Because y is given to be 1. Are you getting it? So here, this implies that ln of x will be ln of 1 here. But it is 1 that we have here. We have ln of x here and we have 1 here. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? So you should know that here we have what? We have the base for ln is what? Is e, which is natural logarithm, which is 1 here. So if you raise this to the power of 1, are you getting it? So what are you going to have? You're going to see that e, writing this in exponential form, is going to be e to the power of 1 will be equals to x. So that is telling us that the value of x here is what? Is e. It's telling us that the value of x is e. So let's see whether s is actually e. Check. 17 ln of x equals 34 minus x ln of 17. So whenever you see x, you put e there. 17 ln of, we have e like this, will lead be equals to e ln of 17. So ln e will be 1. So we have 17 here equals 34 minus, here e ln will be cancelled, then 17 will come down. So now 34 minus 17, that will give us 17 equals 17. So since the LHS is equals to RHS, so therefore x equals e is the what? Is the valid solution. So that's the end of the class. If you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to share to your learning colleagues. If you are just watching our video for the first time, so do not forget to subscribe, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.